ALC autoclaved lightweight concrete wall panel construction process include materials and tools preparation, construction procedure, and finished product protection and quality requirements. Materials and tools preparation. Required tools and materials include U-shaped steel clips, wooden wedges, special crowbars, cutting machine, electric drill, flat trolley, nail gun, ink line marker, straightedge, and plumb bob. Construction procedure. First, clean the base surface and mark wall lines and door/window openings according to the design drawings. Then install the U-shaped clips. Based on the layout line, install the starting clip at the top of the first panel and fix the U-shaped clip to the structural beam and slab with a nail gun, with no fewer than 2 fixing points per panel. Next, position and install the panels. Apply mortar to the top, bottom, and sides, then lift the panel and move it to its installation position. Use wooden wedges to temporarily fix the top and bottom of the panel, leaving a 10 to 20 mm gap at the bottom. Panels should be installed sequentially from one end to the other. After installation, use a 2-meter straightedge to check flatness and verticality. Adjust by tapping the wooden wedges until the panel meets the requirements. Finally, fill and smooth all joints. After the panels are fixed, fill the gaps at the top, bottom, and sides with special adhesive. Remove the wedges after the adhesive cures and fill the holes with the same mortar. For lintel installation, place the panel horizontally with a bearing length greater than 100 mm on both sides. Apply adhesive to the bearing surface and the panel ends. Fix the lower parts of the 2 doorside panels to the ground with 2 clamps each. For L-shaped or T-shaped wall connections, use 2 6 mm diameter steel bars fixed in place. The steel bars should be located 600 to 700 mm from both the top and bottom of the wall. The total nailing depth into 2 panels from different directions should not be less than the thickness of 1 panel plus 100 mm. Finished product protection and quality requirements. The storage area for panels must be flat and free of standing water, and wooden pads must be placed under stacked panels. Use nylon lifting belts with a width greater than or equal to 50 mm for hoisting. Steel wire ropes are prohibited. During installation, use mechanical lifting where possible. Avoid using crowbars or hard tools to prevent corner damage. Grooving for conduit installation can only be done 7 days after wall panel installation. Any chamfering or corner removal must be smaller than 1/3 of the panel width. Mechanical cutting is required. Hammering is strictly prohibited. Door and window openings must be framed with concrete and reinforced with anti-rust 6 mm steel bars, positioned 500 to 600 mm from the top and bottom, with a spacing of 600 mm. Finally, clean the site and completed wall panels, and submit for quality inspection and approval.